Adjustable pressure reducing valve. Adjustable pressure reducing valve debugging method. Before the installation, check that the pipes are clean. The adjustable pressure reducing valve should be installed horizontally on the pipeline. The strainer and gate valve should be installed in front of the valve, and the gate valve should be installed behind the valve to facilitate the replacement and maintenance of the pressure reducing valve and filter impurities in the liquid. Before the debugging, make sure the strainer is installed before the pressure reducing valve. Check that the flow direction of the reducing valve is installed correctly. Check whether the needle valve and ball valve on the pressure reducing valve are fully open. Adjustment of pressure reducing valve. Turn the reverse valve adjusting bolt on the pressure reducing valve counterclockwise to loosen. Close the front gate valve of the reducing valve. Relieve pressure behind valve. Observe outlet pressure gauge to 0. Close the gate valve behind the reducing valve. Valve. Front gate valve. Open. Start adjusting the reverse valve, adjusting bolt clockwise. The adjustment process needs to be slow. Always observe the value change of the outlet pressure gauge. After debugging, lock nut. Stop adjusting when the pressure reaches the required value of the pipe. Wait for the pressure gauge to stabilize. Then, gradually adjust to the required value. Pressure adjustment. If the pressure exceeds the required value, perform step 1 to perform the debugging from the beginning. Open the front valve and back valve. The valve can operate normally. Reducing valve for common problem treatment method. After the problem pipe stopped using water downstream, the pressure behind the valve gradually increases until the pressure in front of the valve is equal to the cause of the problem. There are gravel, welding slag, and other debris in the pipeline or water contaminate the sealing surface, resulting in a loose seal. Processing method. Close the front gate valve first, then open the back gate valve. Observe that the pressure gauge in front of the valve is 0. Close the behind gate valve. Prevent backwater. Then, open the reducing valve cover. Take out the spring and valve trim inside the valve and clean it. And clean the valve body cavity. Install valve to former position. Readjustment. Put into use. Choose Juanda. Choose safety. Juanda valve group.